What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Yahoo Mail into Gmail. So first off, head over to any browser or Google and then in the search bar, type in mail.google.com or just simply type in Gmail. So you will be redirected to this Gmail homepage. Now here, click on settings. After that, on the top, you can see the option of see all settings. Just click on this. After clicking, you can see the multiple options of general, labels, inbox, accounts and import, filters and blocked address, and many more. So just click on accounts and import. After clicking, you will see import mail and contacts. And here you can see the link of this too. Just simply click on this. And after clicking here, you will enter the mail you want to import to Gmail. In this case, you want to import your Yahoo Mail. So simply type in your Yahoo Mail. After typing your Yahoo Mail, just simply click on continue and it will check that if your Yahoo Mail still exists or not. After that, you will be redirected to this sign in into your another Gmail account. Just click on continue and then it will check everything again. And after that, it will ask for the permission to transfer your data to Gmail with your mail. Just simply click on agree and your Yahoo Mail will be imported to Gmail. That was all for this video. Thank you for watching.